shout out to this person, man. They reached out to me on Facebook, and they actually sent me this brand new power washer for my business and to test out for you guys. And this thing looks actually pretty cool. It's very maneuverable, has wheels on it. I believe this is a 1.5 foot hose, and it doesn't tangle up, and it's easy to reel. It has a little turn thing right here, which makes it way easier than my last one, because my last power washer would always tangle up on me. It has a safety switch on it to where it actually disables the water so that the pressure doesn't continue to build up, because on some of my other power washers, man, when you're not using the power washer, the water tends to build up and it'll make your power washer surge when you have electrical power washers. So that is very important. That is actually really good, and it comes with a long tip if you need to use that one, believe so, and just connects in here pretty easily. It's easy to store, which is great. As you guys know, though, we use the MJJC Pro, man. If you didn't see the video review on this, go check it out. When I first foamed the Shelby the first time, this is probably one of the best foam cannons I have used, and we're gonna match it up with the new pressure washer and see how it works. So that should be a good combination. Some quick information about it: it is a 2050 psi pressure washer, electric pressure washer, which is actually pretty good. It's better than the one that I previously used, which I believe is only like 1600 psi, which doesn't do the job very well. But with this one being a 2000, that is very good. In the front, it has a little accessory box right here. You can put basically the extra tips, which I actually found in the box right here. So you got extra tips that you can use and pretty much just store everything inside of there. I'm gonna take them out of the bag, of course, and then just put pretty much all the accessories inside of this little bin, which is actually pretty cool. I like that. Time to give it another bath and test out the new pressure washer. So I'll have a discount code for that pressure washer. If it's good, buy it. Y'all need to pick it up, use it. Right now, currently, I'm using a little Ryobi pressure washer. It's a little small box. I like to be compact since I'm a mobile detailer. I like everything to be able to fit in the back of my truck and compact. So that red one, the new one, is probably going to be about as big as I'm ever going to get. Because the gas pressure washers, I do love them. They're powerful, but they make a lot of noise and they're a hassle. You know, keep putting gas. That's another expense that you have to do when I'm already using a generator. So, you know, so I try to keep everything quiet as possible. You know, quick movement, just turn it on, turn it off. You know, you don't have to deal with spark plugs and stuff messing up on a gas pressure washer and stuff like that. Even though they're probably better than electric pressure washers, they are. But, you know, electric pressure washers do get the job done. With this one being a 2000 psi, it should be great. So we'll test it out. Use that discount code, pick it up, man. Y'all need it. Use it for your business, your house, pressure wash your concrete, anything, man. Wash your own cars, stuff like that. So let me go ahead and back it up, and then we'll get started. Sir, here she is. Time to get another bath, quick wash. We're just gonna be testing out this pressure washer, see if it's any good, if it's worth recommending to you guys, which I think is gonna be, man. That hose is very long and it doesn't seem to get tangled up, which I really do love. It's a higher psi, so it makes things quicker. You know, you can pressure wash things faster. This is the MJJC foam cannon. I do have a discount code for that. Just go check out that previous video detailing the Shelby the first time, and we're gonna get started. So if you guys don't remember, I do use other bottles for testing some of my chemicals, but this is one of the wheel cleaners that I made. It foams up pretty good on your wheels, takes all that brake dust off. Because like I said, I like to try to make a lot of chemicals that work without having to do a lot of extra work. So you just let that sit. Usually you can pressure wash them off and they'll be pretty good, but I would advise, you know, taking a little brush, getting in between everything. But this is one of the chemicals that I use. I must say, I highly recommend this thing. It did great. It has great pressure. It's pretty good. It's convenient. Like, just for this right here, you can just pull that off, wrap it back around the hose right there, tuck in your gun. The only gripe I do have is that the stick, the wand, is pretty damn long. This wand is pretty long, so you just have to be careful that you don't get too close to the vehicles. Other than that, man, it comes with excellent accessories that you need. Pretty, you know, convenient, easy. That hose is long, which I love. That thing pretty much goes around the whole car with no issues, doesn't tangle up, just stays like that. So this thing's pretty dope. I highly recommend this. Pick this up, guys. Use my code. It's on Amazon, I believe, so you can use my code, get a discount off of it. There it is, guys, all cleaned up, man. Sheesh, looking good. That power washer did a great job. Now we gotta keep the interior clean, like new, fresh. Yes, sir. We got the tail lights. Ooh-wee. I don't know if you guys realize, I did not even touch the wheels, and they came out pretty good with just the cleaner and the pressure washer. Didn't have to touch them. There's still a little bit of dirt on there, but these things accumulate so much brake dust, it's ridiculous. I'm not even gonna mess with it. But they look good. Since I went ahead and washed it, man, I said, why not just go ahead and put the carbon fiber mirror covers on there since it's clean. So I just mocked this one up, man, and look at that. It fits on there pretty good, but I'm gonna add some two-way sticky on the back of it, alcohol it up, make sure it's clean, and then we'll get these things installed. All right, guys, we got them carbon mirrors on there. Sheesh. Surprisingly, they make a huge difference. Like, I mean, they were a little bit expensive for covers, but they make a big difference, man. They look really good on the Shelby. So I just got done putting gas in the Shelby. I did not know they had the Navigator Shelby.
Boy, if you don't get...
Boy, God. It's crazy. Since when they made that one? I ain't even seen that one. All right, guys, we are headed to Charlie's shop, man. We're gonna discuss some mods and show him the car. Pretty much, he hasn't seen the car in a little bit, so yeah, but we're gonna show him the whip. Looks real good. I don't know why. The lights just make it just like this. Makes it pop out like crazy in the back. Looks good, just from simple stuff like that. Yeah, it looks good. But yeah, man, I haven't took it out, so I told you I was gonna bring it by that day, but I ended up getting busy and I ain't finished up till like 5 something, so I was like, yeah, it's too late. I just go to the house. But yeah, man, I ain't pulled it out. I ain't put it on camera. I ain't nope, nothing, man. So even when I did the tail lights, I only just showed the back end. I didn't even show the rest of the car. So, you know, but yeah, man, I just put them on today. Yeah, came out real good, man.
You still don't gotta take it off or nothing like that.
Yeah, but I don't know if you guys see these mirrors, man, but the mirrors came out great, dude. I highly recommend these things. I got these off of eBay as well, the same place I ordered the tail lights from, and those things, man, since it's real carbon, man, it shines really good. That's real nice, and I like how they kept the slit for your blinker and indicator for the lights and stuff too, so definitely recommend those. And as you guys seen, the tail lights and shit on the whip. Shelby looking good out here, man. Y'all stay tuned for the rest of the stuff coming to this car, man, and possible color change, maybe. We're definitely trying to look for mods and stuff like that. Like I said, I'm still on the market, even brand new. A lot of the shops and performance places, parts are out of stock. Mid pipes from Lethal Performance are discontinued. So this is a lot of stuff, man. It's real hard to if you ain't doing the packages when you drop it off somewhere to, you know, source piece by piece each part. But y'all stay tuned, man. Make sure y'all hit that like, subscribe button. Appreciate y'all.